bottle. Go get your bottle.
So wait, the honey is for Gracie because she has a cough.
I coughed yesterday, so I need honey.
You need honey because you coughed yesterday.
Yeah.
I don't know. That doesn't.
What about me?
It's,
I'm coughing again. I'm coughing again. I think so.
you have a cough,
Yeah.
Lila? I know Gracie does. Gracie's got a cough.
I got a cough too.
Huh.
Our dogs have coffee. Cough. Cough.
Finish your milk first, and then we'll give you a...
Oh, done. I want honey.
It doesn't sound like you have a cough, though.
I'm coughing again. Now honey. Open the honey for the girls.
Okay.
Instead. Piece of honey. Honey. Piece of
Honey?
honey. Honey. Piece of honey. Honey.
Honey's not dessert. Honey is medicine for your cough.
Medicine for me. Medicine for my cough.
What do you think over there, Hulk? What are you doing, monkey boy? Oh, are you okay?
I'm going to lay down. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me.
What are you doing, Cookie? What are you doing?
It's for you. It's for me.
Everybody's here for the honey. There's the honey.
And some honey. And honey. Honey. Some honey.
Okay.
Honey. Honey, Dad.
Oh, you giving pretty eyes now?
Take some. I want some honey too.
Brother's drinking your milk.
No, you don't want
Nope, take it away, take it away.
He can't have that. Where's his bottle?